Okay, so this is the third of the different trials that we're doing for our bonus lab. So what I have done here, we're going to get you guys set up right here. This is goofy, I know, but this is what we kind of have to do to get these things set up for you guys. All right, so this is our third trial. And what I'm going to do down here is I have already put A, B, E, and A all the way across 10 drops each. So this is kind of the opposite direction we did in trial 2. And then I'm going to take 10 drops of F, 10 drops of G, 10 drops of D and C all the way down until those are complete, and then we'll take a look at what we have. I'll then repeat what we did in trial 2 by going down and adding an additional 10 drops down so that we can see if there's a difference in concentration. And so let's go ahead and get started and see what it is. This is all up to you guys. I'm not going to tell you anything about how to do it, I guess, but we'll see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3, 4. Okay, so now we are looking at the G. Oh, let's add the G. Okay, now for our D. Let's get that line. Okay, last one will be our C here. Get our C set up. C. Okay, so that's 10 drops of each one. We're going to go through and do it again, doing 10 more drops down there to see a difference in the concentrations of each. And like I said, you guys can do what you want with this data, try to figure it out. Okay, so I'm doing 10 more drops of the F, so that'll be 20 total drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Interesting. RG. RT. And our last one is C. Let's see in there. Okay. Okay, and that should take care of it. Go ahead and shake this up a little bit. Let's look at that. And there you go. There's your data. So you guys are also going to have to figure out, and kind of pick this up and video me, figure out which is which. So we kind of determined that the F, G, D, and C were of one, substance, acid, or base, and the A, B, E, and the A, B, E, and A were also that as well. So it kind of looks like I'm going to take G and A as they kind of really made that pink solution. Let's do C. Let's do G and A. So G, I'm going to take a little bit of G, and this is not a good idea, Tollett, but this is really low concentration. To kind of get an idea of which one might be the acid or base, I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and put it and see if it's slimy or if it has an odor or anything like that. That has a little bit of kind of an odor to it, like a volatile liquid kind of odor. I'm also going to take a little bit of the A. I want my hand off. And let's look at A real quickly. I'm going to put a little bit of A on my finger and kind of feel. That's like crazy slippery. That one is a little bit more. I'll go wash my hands in a second. Yeah, the A is crazy slippery. There is no odor to the A whatsoever. But anyway, maybe that'll give you a hint, or you'll be able to use that to help figure out which one is which. Okay, so what you've got to do is you have to submit on the Google form what it is that you think each one is. You'll have to label which one is which acid and which one is which base and what concentrations they are for A all the way through H. Okay, good luck, guys.